Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today we will be doing question number 4 from exercise 11.2, right? And question number 4 in 11.2 is draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. What we are given? Just a minute, please. Okay. So it is given that we have to draw a tangent with radius. We have to draw a circle with radius 5. So we take 5 centimeters first of all. Then we have to draw the circle with this radius 5. We have to draw the circle. Now this is the circle with radius 5. Let it be O and A, right? Now it is said on this circle we have to draw a pair of tangents, and those two pair of tangents are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Now before doing the construction, just remember one thing. There are few properties of the tangents that are to be reminded. First of all, see the rough figure. Say for example, if it is O, A, there is suppose from here we are having the tangents like this. These two tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degree, right? Ab 60 degree यहाँ तो नहीं बना सकते because we are not having any points. But we know that since this if we are having a circle and if this is the radius, this is the tangent, what is the relation between radius and tangent? That radius is always perpendicular to the tangent, right? The OA is the radius and this is the tangent, so that means here we have an angle of 90 degree, right? Also, whichever will be this point, say for example this point is B, we join it to the center. Again, OB is the radius and this line will be the tangent. That means here OB is perpendicular to this tangent, right? Now let this point be C. Now OA, B, C, this becomes a what? Four-sided figure, four-sided closed figure. That means the quadrilateral. In quadrilateral we are having 4 angles and the sum of all the 4 angles is 360 degree. Right? This angle is 60 given. This is 90. This is 90. We know by the properties of tangents and circles. That means what will be this angle? We have 360 total of all the 4 angles. But we already have 90 plus 90 plus 60. That means 360 से अगर हम ये तीनों minus कर दें, what angle are we left with? 360 minus 90 and 90, 180 plus 60. How much are we left with? This will be 240. 360 minus 240 will be 120 degree. That means angle at O will be 120. So we will be drawing angle of 120 over here to get the second point, right? And then at this point we will be making an angle of 90 degree. At the second point we will be making an angle of 90 degree. They will intersect at one point. That point will be the point of the tangents, point of intersection of tangents, right? So what we have to do first of all, we have to make an angle of 120 degree at O. And now I hope you know why we are making an angle of 120 degree. Why are we making 360 minus 90 plus 90 plus 60. So it is 360 minus 240, that is 120 degree. Now how to make an angle of 120 degree? Any radius in the compass, keep at O. Make an arc like this. From this point, same radius, make an arc. From the arc that you have got, make another arc. And then join the line from O to this arc. That will be an angle of 120 degree. this is point B and this angle is 120. I hope there should not be any problem in this. Now we have got this angle of 120 degree बना दिया. अब A पर 90 degree एंगल बनाना है और B पर 90 degree का एंगल बनाना है. So let us first make an angle of 90 degree. और अब I hope everybody knows how to make an angle of 90 degree. If there is any confusion, I have already sent you one video for basic constructions, right? You can go in that video and you can see the construction of various angles. Now for making an angle of 90 degree, we make an arc like this, then like this. Again थोड़ा ऊपर बना लेते हैं. Here and join this point. This will be an angle of 90 degree. Then same way we have to draw an angle of 90 degree at B. We keep the compass on B. Make an arc with the point, make one arc with the point with the same radius, make another arc, then you can extend it a bit, then cut the previous arc. This is an angle of 90 degree for B. Join this point from point B. This is point B. This is the point of arc. Like this, and these two angles will intersect somewhere at a point. That point will be C, right? That point will be C, and automatically when you measure this angle, that will be an angle of 60 degree. Automatically if you measure this, it will be an angle of 60 degree. See, if you measure it, you keep it here like this. See, this is 60 degree over here and this is 60 degree here. 50, 70, 60. 60 के बीच में आएगा तो automatically this angle will be your 60 degrees, right? So OA, आप इसका नेम चेंज कर सकते हैं. OA let it be B और इसको C मान लीजिए. OABC. OABC is a quadrilateral. ठीक है, OABC quadrilateral बन रहा है जिसमें OA is perpendicular to AB and OC also is perpendicular to BC, 90 degree angles, right? So definitely this angle will be 120 and this angle will be your 60 degree angle, right? So I hope this construction is clear to you children. Okay, so please practice these constructions. It is very, very important. 99.9% one construction is there in your board exams, right? If you have understood, well and good. If not, I am telling you once again, क्या करना है आपको, एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है पहले ऑफ रेडियस 5, ठीक है. फिर उसमें बीच में 120 डिग्री का एंगल बनाना है. जो पॉइंट आया उसको पॉइंट नेम दे दीजिए आप C, उसको नेम दे दीजिए A और बीच वाले पॉइंट को नेम दे दीजिए O, राइट. फिर A से 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना दीजिए, C से भी 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना दीजिए. दे विल मीट समवेयर एट वन पॉइंट. दैट पॉइंट विल बी योर B, right? That point will be your B and AB and BC are the two tangents, right? And why we have taken 120 degree at the center? Because आप देखेंगे कंस्ट्रक्शन के बाद that it is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral में the sum of four angle is 360 degree और tangent, ये tangent है और ये radius है. Tangent and ratio are perpendicular to each other. That means this angle will be 90, this angle will be 90, this is 60 they have given to us. That means obviously the center angle will be 120 degrees, right? Okay children, practice this. In the next video we'll be meeting again with the next question. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye bye.